Good morning, students, and welcome to another online biology classroom of St. Michael's Academy. So, today I am continuing the previous chapter, that is organs and systems of animals. Let's start. So, today first we are starting with the habit and habitat of toad. Toad is a cold-blooded or poikilothermous or exothermic, that is exothermic vertebrate. So, what is the meaning of exothermic? Exothermic means the temperature of the body depends on the temperature of the external environment. That means body temperature of this type of animal changes with the temperature of the external environment. One more thing, vertebrate. What is the meaning of vertebrate? Vertebrate are the kinds of animals those have vertebra. Now, during colder months of the year, toads undergo through a phase called hibernation or winter sleep. That means in colder months or in winter season, you can say, toad used to sleep for a few months. This type of phase of their life cycle is called hibernation or winter sleep. An adult toad generally lives on land, but if necessary, it can live in water for some time. Note that that's why toad used to call amphibia. It is truly an amphibian, both in biological as well as literal sense. What is the meaning of amphibia? Amphi means both, bios means life. Toad is quite at home in water as well as on land. On land, it is obligatory for the toad to remain in dark and moist places. That means toad generally prefers dark and moist places on land, preferably near water. Skin of toad is an accessory respiratory organ and so it is kept moist. It tries to keep itself away from bright light. So, skin of toad is an extra expiratory respiratory organ. That is accessory respiratory organ. So, the skin of toad generally kept moist. So, toad is a carnivorous animal and catches insects by its sticky tongue. Now, what is carnivorous animal? A carnivore is an organism that mostly eats meat or the flesh of animals. Sometimes carnivores are called predators. Organisms that carnivores hunt are called prey. So, hope you have understood here who is predator and who are the prey. So, here we can say that toad acts as predators. Now, there is a special type of mechanism of capturing prey with their sticky prehensile tongue. First, you see the diagram first. It has been shown how toad used to capture prey by their tongue. When insect came, see that toad, that particular toad, throw its tongue outside and insect sticks with the moist moist thing with the tongue, and then the tongue has been withdrawn with the insect by the toad within the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity means mouth cavity. After that, the last step is that toad closes its mouth. So toads are nocturnal and usually come out of their hides at dusk. The males can produce croaking sound by the help of the vocal sac, especially during breeding season. Actually, there's a little bit difference between the voice between male toad and female toad. Generally, in rainy season, the voice clearly uh, differentiate with each other because that time male toad calls the female toad for breeding. Breeding means here for reproduction. Toad lives on land but breeds in water. That means their reproduction occurs in water. All the organ systems of toad are adjusted to land life except the reproductive system. For the purpose of reproduction, it had to go back to the primal aquatic abode. That means their reproduction occurs in water and the other system like excretory system, circulatory system, nervous system, all the other organ systems of toad are adjusted to land life. Now, what is habitat? That word I have used. What is habitat? Habitat can be defined as the natural environment of an organism. The type of place in which that particular organism is natural for it to live and grow. That means habitat means the area or the natural environment where an animal used to live. Suppose for toad, as we discussed in the previous slide, used to live in a moist place. So this is the habitat of this carnivorous animal toad. And habit means all of you know its behavior, how to eat, how to live, and hibernation period. These are all habits of them. So hope so it is clear to you what is the actual habit and habitat of a toad. Then also if you have any type of query or doubts regarding these PPTs or videos, you may ask me in your live Zoom class. So thank you students and have a nice day.